Imagine boarding a flight, and suddenly your airplane makes a U-turn in the sky, not because of weather, not because of a technical problem, but because of war. On February 28th, rising tensions across the Middle East forced airlines into emergency decisions. Commercial aircraft suddenly began avoiding Iraqi and Iranian airspace, with some flights making shocking U-turns, diverting mid-air, or taking much longer routes. This wasn't just one airline. It became a major disruption across global aviation. For years, airlines flying between Europe, Asia, and the Gulf relied on Iraqi and Iranian airspace because it offered some of the shortest and most fuel-efficient routes. But when tensions rise, airlines face one major question. Do they continue flying through risky airspace? Or reroute flights and absorb massive costs? Safety came first. Airlines quickly started avoiding Iraqi and Iranian skies due to concerns over missile threats, drone activity, military operations, GPS interference, and sudden airspace restrictions. Some aircraft even made dramatic U-turns after already being airborne. Pilots received updated security information and changed routes in real time. Imagine being halfway through your journey, and suddenly the route changes completely. This means longer flight times, more fuel burn, and delays. A route that normally takes 6 hours may suddenly become 7 or even longer. And longer routes mean one thing: higher costs. Airlines are now burning thousands of extra kilograms of fuel to avoid dangerous airspace, while fuel prices continue rising. But the impact goes beyond airlines. Even one of the world's busiest hubs, Dubai International Airport, has felt the pressure. Recent drone strike concerns and regional instability highlighted how vulnerable major aviation hubs can become during conflict. And this crisis isn't only affecting flights, it's affecting energy markets too. After concerns surrounding Qatar's LNG facilities, gas prices surged sharply as markets reacted to fears of wider instability. When energy prices rise, airline costs rise too, and airlines are preparing for uncertainty. Reports suggest Qatar Airways has parked some long-haul aircraft in storage in Spain as airlines prepare for possible long-term disruption. This could mean longer routes, higher ticket prices, more delays, and airlines redesigning routes almost overnight. Passengers may only notice arriving late, but behind the scenes, pilots, dispatchers, and airline teams are working non-stop to keep flights safe. One thing is clear: in aviation, safety always comes first, even if it means turning around in the sky. What do you think? Should airlines avoid conflict zones completely? Comment below and follow for more aviation updates.
Before I ever sat in a cockpit, I stood right here, watching them fly.